Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 23rd algorithm video, and in this video you would be given a sorted array, and in that array we would need to make each element of that list distinct, and then we would need to find the sum of that array. Okay, so basically this is the array that is given to us: 2 2 3 5 6. When I mean each element distinct, I mean basically, for example, 2 2 is duplicate. Okay, so we would need to replace it. The first step would be list of array. I would replace the first index, this is 2 by 3, so the array would become 2 3 3 5 6. Now see, now this 3 3 has now become duplicates, so I need to replace this also. So the next step would be is equal to 2 3 4 5 6. Now you may ask that why am I incrementing by only one value, why am I incrementing the duplicate value by one value? Because I need to keep the sum as minimum as possible. Okay, now you can see that there are no more duplicates, and now we can find the sum of this array. So this was just the pseudocode that I explained to you what we are supposed to do. So now I'm going to the actual algorithm building. So this is the list of numbers: 2 2 3 5 6, and then I would do for I in range 1 to len of list of numbers. I would start the for loop from this index and go all the way to the end of the list of numbers. Okay, so if list of numbers I is equal to list of numbers of I minus 1, basically I would be comparing the current number with the previous number, and if it is equal, if the current number is equal to the previous number, I would access the current number by using indexing and increase the value by 1, right? Okay, so now I would print the list of numbers. Now as you can see, we have successfully made an array which has distinct array elements. Now we need to calculate the sum of it also. So for I in list numbers, we need to make a variable of sum of list is equal to 0. Sum list is equal to sum list plus I. Then we print sum list. So the sum of this array with distinct elements is 20. Okay, so what if I change the numbers in the list now? Say for example 22 and 20. Now with a list numbers of 2020, the new list number is now 2021. Why? Because this number 20 is a duplicate, it is not distinct, so we incremented this value by 1, so the new list numbers became 20 and 21, and the sum of this new list having distinct element is also 41. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.